Hello everyone, this video is to tell you about our next project. We will be doing a situational response to the COVID-19, so basically getting your response or your reaction to all of the stuff that's going on. The project is going to be a drawing that is on a three-dimensional object, and you're going to be using one of the two following options over here. The first option is a public health or safety message. And the second one would be to promote mental health or well-being or social change or whatever inspires you or whatever is coming up for you in this time of, this COVID situation. This is something that might be used and you might keep it as a reflection, for a long time to come. This is a very unusual situation. Art is a really good way to deal with situations like this. So you're going to find a three-dimensional object. The example I put is maybe like a mask or a bottle or a chunk of wood or something that's kind of has significance to whatever your project is going to be about. And you're going to do a drawing on it. For the drawing, you'll use something like a pencil or a marker or paint or charcoal, whatever you can use. You can use whatever material you would like for the drawing. And then to add color to it, you can use traditional stuff like paint or colored pencils, or you can get outside the box a little bit and use something like, I don't know, grass and rub it on there for a green color, or flower petals, or coffee, or wood ash, or things like that. That might be a little bit more untraditional ways of coloring your drawing. So when you're thinking about all of those things, make sure that you're thinking about your message, your whatever you're doing, and hopefully those things connect in some way. The grade will be set on three different things. The first one will be a sketch, which is due on tomorrow Tuesday at 11:59. All of these dates are on Canvas. If you go to the modules section, you can find all of the dates for all of this. But the first sketch is going to be basically, what's your message going to be? So I want you to come up with one option for one idea for both of the options that I listed earlier up here. So one idea for both. And that'll be a total of 2 ideas, and you'll submit that tomorrow by 11:59 p.m. at the link provided, just like we've been doing. The next thing will be sketch 2, which will be due on Thursday, this coming Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Again, the dates are on Canvas. And this is going to be a list of possible materials that you could use. What object are you going to draw on? What's the significance of it? What are you going to be drawing with? What's the significance, if any, on that? How are you going to be coloring it? And so on and so forth. You're going to be making lists of possible things that you could use that would have significance. That'll be sketch 2. And then you'll go on to the final piece, which you'll do a self-eval and submit on, I believe it's Thursday, May 7th. Again, check the dates on Canvas to make sure that's correct. And you'll be submitting it like we always do, where you do the self-eval and submission online. When you're taking a photo of your final piece, please do it in a well-lit area and do a clear photo that takes up most of your screen. I mean, don't have your thing, just a tiny little thing in your head popping over. Try to fill up the whole screen with a clear photo in a well-lit area. So that's what I'm using to grade it for. So you'll be doing that again. I believe the final submission will be May 7th. That's a Thursday at 11:59. I give you some suggested steps here. Take a look at that. What I'm showing you right here is in your project details. Just click it, and all of the stuff that you're looking at now you can find there. I have some keys to success as well. Check those out if you want to be, some ideas to being successful. I also put some examples below. Here's an example of option 1. Different imagery you're going to use. Remember, you're not doing just a two-dimensional drawing like this. This is just imagery that you might that might help spark some ideas for what you might draw on your object. So here's some of that. Here's some imagery examples for option 2. So check these out. Remember, you're doing this on a three-dimensional object. So that's the assignment. Do your best. Try to have fun with it. Take some time think things over. Make sure you get your stuff submitted on time. If you have any questions, as you know, I always have a video chat option where you can sign up for, so do that. If you have any other questions, email me. But that's it. Good luck. Try to have some fun with it. I hope you all are doing well. I miss you all, and we'll be in contact. Okay, have a good one.